Hey everyone, welcome to the ELEATION's YouTube channel, where we help you kickstart your journey into the world of C programming. Are you struggling to stay motivated while learning C programming? Well, today we are sharing some practical tips and tricks to keep that fire alive. And stick around, because we've got an amazing offer for you to join our ELEATION C Training Program at a huge discount. First, set clear and achievable goals. Whether it's mastering pointers or finishing a mini project, small wins keep you motivated. Track your progress and celebrate each milestone. It'll give you that extra push to keep going. Next, break it down. C programming can feel overwhelming at times, but dividing it into smaller tasks makes it more manageable. Instead of trying to learn everything at once, focus on one topic at a time. This will keep you from getting frustrated. Theory is great, but the best way to stay motivated is to practice. Start coding small programs. You'll learn faster and feel more confident with every successful run. It's all about applying what you learn. It can get lonely learning by yourself, right? That's why joining a community of learners can keep you motivated. At ELEATION, we have an amazing community where you can connect, ask questions, and share your progress with others on the same journey. Consistency is key. Make learning C programming a daily habit, even if it's just 30 minutes a day. You'll be surprised at how much progress you make in a month when you stick to it. Now, here's something exciting. If you're serious about learning C programming and want to fast-track your journey, join ELEATION's C Training Program today. The course fee is just Rs 2,499, but if you register now, you get a massive discount and only pay Rs 1,000. Yes, for just 1,000 rupees, you can get lifetime access to the best C programming course designed to help you land a job or internship. Simply scan the QR code on the screen and start your journey today. Thanks for watching. Remember, learning C programming can be challenging, but with these tips, you'll stay motivated and achieve your goals. Don't forget to register for the ELEATION C Training Program and take advantage of the special offer. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks, and let's keep coding.